Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to get loan from Scotiabank online in just simple steps. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go. First, you have to open your Google Chrome and search Scotiabank. After that, click on the official website of Scotiabank. Now you have to sign up first. After that, you will see an option, Loans and Lines of Credit. You have to click on it. After that, you have to scroll down and you will see an option named Loan. You must know the requirements to get the loan. You can pause the video and read these all requirements to get the loan. Now you have to scroll down again and you will see many options to get loans. Like first one is apply online, by call, in person, at the dealership. You can choose these options as per your choice. So this is the easiest way of how to get loan from Scotia. Bank online, there is no easier way than this. I hope you understand. If you are still facing problem in taking loan, then you can comment me. I will definitely reply to you. Hope you will like the video and press the subscribe button, drop a comment. Also, thank you.